Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove products from cart on Amazon. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Sometimes when shopping on Amazon, it's easy to get swept away by many products available on the platform. You might add products to your Amazon shopping cart and later realize you don't really need or want some of them. However, you don't need to worry because Amazon allows you to remove items from your cart. And in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to delete, how to remove products that you no longer need on your Amazon. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Amazon, but for the example, I will add this product to my cart. If you don't know how to add products to your cart on Amazon, you can watch on my previous video or you can follow this step. Now it's added to your cart. And I will try to add this one too. Now, what if you want to remove these products? You can check your cart first. You can open your cart in here by tap on here. So here's all the product that you just add to your cart. If you want to remove, you can just click or swipe. You can just swipe right like this and you can see there's a delete. You can just tap on that and the product will be removed from your cart. Or you can just click on the three dots in here. There is an option delete. You can just click on that. So the product will be removed from your Amazon cart. It's a simple, right? So that is how to remove product from your cart on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.